Okay, I'm going to show you on Windows 10 how to enter the low resolution mode on Windows 10 the easy way. Okay, we're going to go ahead and hit the start button. This is on a laptop. You're going to hit the start button. Wait till we see that screen, the square in the middle of the screen, and then we're going to force it to turn off. We're going to force the start button off again. Okay, now hold the start button back down. We're going to force it off. There it goes. Now we're going to let it restart. We're going to hit the start button. Then you're going to force it down when you see that square in the middle of the screen. We're looking for 3 words down here at the bottom when we see the square. Like entering repair mode or something like that. Please wait. Force it off right there. Push the start button down. Hold it. Okay, now it's off. Now start it again. Hit the start button. And when we see the square, read at the bottom. If we don't see the 3 words, we're going to force it off again. Okay, force it off. Push down on the start button. Hold it. There it goes. So we did it 3 times there. Usually it does it then. Okay, let's start again. Should see it now. Nope. Okay, hold it down. Hold down the start button. Try it one more. Okay, we're going to restart. Wait till we get to that box. There it is. Preparing an automatic repair. Okay, hit the like button. Hit the subscribe. And look down on my descriptions if you want to leave a little pledge on my channel and help support my channel. I got a Patreon account. You can leave a pledge. Okay, this takes a minute here. You gotta let it run through here. I don't know why you ain't showing color on that box there. Probably the camera. And check out my video that pops at the end here on the left side. Hit that kid in the bottom right. They're smoking a cigarette. If you want to subscribe. Don't hit them too hard. Check out my playlist. Okay, now we're going to try and get over to advanced options here. Use your mouse. And we're going to go to advanced options on the right. Automatic repair. Okay, or if you don't have a mouse hooked up, or if it doesn't work, use your arrow keys or use the tab key. Okay, we're going to go to the second one down, troubleshoot. And then we're going to go to advanced options. And then we're going to go to startup settings over here, right here. Look for this emblem right here. Sometimes it pops up over here on whatever version of Windows you have. So you look for this little round emblem here. You want the one that says startup settings. Okay? Let me look here. Enable low, it's the first one, enable low resolution mode. See there? Okay, we're going to say restart. This is on a Dell Latitude, but this will work on any of your computer. Okay, the low resolution mode is number 3. Here's what popped up. So go down and push number 3 on your keyboard. And now it should go into low resolution mode. I think I got a password coming up here. I try to get through this as quick as I can and keep the video short. YouTube's pushing us to make longer videos, so they want us to hit 8 minutes. But I don't try to make mine that long. I don't. It's a waste of time. Okay, let me hit password here. I just named my computer Bill Gates just to be funny there. He owns everything. Now this is a low resolution. You can see now you're into low resolution. Now next time, if you want to add drivers, whatever you got to do in there, low resolution mode. Okay, go ahead and hit subscribe and hit like. Leave a comment. Let me know what kind of videos you're looking for on laptops in the desktops. And that'll be it till the next one. See you till the next one. Oh, when you restart, it's going to go back to the normal mode. Just once you restart, just go back down here in the corner. And we're going to hit restart. It'll go back like normal there. Power and shut down. Okay, you'll be alright when it restarts. I'll see you in the next one.